Your words this week are going to contain suffixes that make the words comparative. That means that you can compare something from one thing to the other. So with the first two sets of words, you're going to have words that end with ER, such as kinder and cleaner and stranger, harsher and quieter. You can take those words and make it to mean more by changing the ER to EST. So I can change kinder to kindest. So if a person was kinder and the other person was kindest, this person would be more kind. We go from cleaner to cleanest, stranger to strangest, harsher to harshest, and quieter to quietest. So in this case, you are adding ER to every word but stranger. Strange already does have an E on the end, so you just would add an R. And then we're going to be looking at words that end with Y. If you look at the root of these words, early, tricky, fancy, crummy, empty, shiny, and murky, the root of all of these words ends with Y. So when you change it from early to earlier, you drop the Y and you add an I and then add the ER. And same with tricky. Drop the Y, add I, and add ER. So we're going to go from earlier to earliest, trickier to trickiest, fancier to fanciest, crummier to crummiest, emptier to emptiest, shinier to shiniest, and murkier to murkiest. Murky is when something is like a puddle has murky water, you can't really see through it. So you have two different types of words. Ones that end just normally, and then some that end with Y. And when they do end with Y, you change the Y to I when you make them into comparative words. And that is your sort.